One of the most common questions about water wells is how much does it cost to drill per foot? That is based on your casing diameter. A 6-inch casing diameter is the current standard for domestic water wells in Canada. On a 6-inch casing, it starts as low as $36 per foot to around $55. Most well drillers also have a minimum charge, usually 100 feet, which at $45 per foot would be $4,500. Sometimes included in the per foot charge is the annular seal and the drive shoe, and sometimes it's extra. The annular seal prevents the intermixing of the aquifers and also prevents contamination from surface water. The drive shoe, which is a beveled edge sleeve or coupling that is attached to the bottom of pipe or casing to act as a cutting edge in most casing advancement systems. It also acts as a protector for the pipe or casing to prevent splitting. Assuming there is a productive water well drilled the first time and not a dry well, here are some of the items needed to complete the project. Pitless adapter, which is a mechanical device used to provide frost-free sanitary well connection. Stainless steel well screen, which stops sediment from entering a water well. Well liner or pump protector. This protects the pump from the well caving in. The bottom section is usually perforated to let water into it. Most contractors use 4-inch PVC casing for the well liner. However, some contractors have found that using Schedule 40 steel casing in lieu of PVC has resulted in a better installation. PVC casing is sometimes not rugged enough for the application. In circumstances where the well has a caving condition, the well is not straight, or the installation will be very deep, steel casing may be the best choice for the job. One cost that most clients aren't aware of is water well development. All new water wells should be developed before putting into production to achieve sand-free water at the highest possible specific capacity, or to increase the well yield, gallons per minute, and have sand-free water. Repair damage done to the formation by drilling operation so that the natural hydraulic properties are restored, and alter the basic physical characteristics of the aquifer near the borehole so that water will flow more freely to a well. Water well drillers use a number of different well development techniques to achieve this. Here are a few examples. Airlifting, jetting, surge block, you will also need to have a trench dug for the water line and power source. If you find a low production zone, like a half a gallon a minute, you also need to have a cistern installed, which the water well will keep full. Usually a cistern costs upwards of $2,000. Most people are reluctant to drill a water well without knowing if they'll find water, and if so, at what depth. Drilling a water well can easily cost between $10,000 to $30,000 per hole, depending on the depth you drill to, but can be an excellent investment if you get enough gallons per minute. That way you won't be spending your summers and winters hauling water. Get it right the first time. Do not drill an expensive dry hole. Find aquifer depth and yield before drilling. Make an informed decision of where to drill and save money.
Call us now at 250-788-9118. You'll be glad you called us first.